Hello everyone, my name is Chef Gross, and today I'm your host for a special edition of Dinner for Two. Today we're going to be cooking a different style meal today. Usually I like to cater towards the meat lovers and the people that love tons of fucking meat on their food. But we're going to switch it up today. As you can see, we have nice produce, nice tomatoes, nice peppers, nice lettuce, all ready for a vegan style stew we're going to be making today. Once again, I'm Chef Gross, and let's get right to it. Outside.
Test of audio.
Test 1 2 3 3 2 1 5 7 3 6 5 7 1 2. Is everything good?
What else you need?
I'm gonna get some tomatoes. We're just looking for some few ingredients. Not too sure yet, but it's gonna be a good surprise. Hopefully it's gonna be a good dinner.
Killing competition, confrontation, re-evaluation. You don't wanna see the revelation. Straps looking like I left the hose on.
So you ready? What you start off with first is our beautiful vegetables right here. As you can see, I started cutting up the peppers already. Vegetables are essential considering we're making a vegan style meal. So you're gonna have to pay special attention to it. As I was showing, you can't have these little seeds inside your recipe or else it won't taste as good. So what you're going to want to do is dismiss all the little seeds you see right here. Get them right out of there. Make sure there's nowhere to be found. And you start it right there. Now, they're not as even as I would like them to be. So I'm going to continue cutting them in halves like this. As I put this aside, I can cut this one in half one more time. What you're going to want to do here is get rid of the little head right here because you're not going to need this little ugly part inside your meal. And once you can do that, put it right down like that. Cut it right in half. Make sure you get a little of the little ugly dead pieces right here. Get rid of that. You don't need it. It's not good for you. And as you can see, this is the type of lettuce you want to get out here. Once you get the lettuce you want, throw that in there. Make sure it's oozing, nice and crispy. Nice and beautiful, as you can see. Already washed, already perfect. Put that right there. And these, you can go throw this shit in the orphanage. You don't need that anymore. It doesn't have any parents. It doesn't have anyone that loves them. They're ugly as shit. You can get rid of them. Oh fuck, I can't start the oven. Now it's the beginning of part 2 of our cooking. What you're gonna wanna do first, turn the stove top to max. Magnificent. Now what you're gonna wanna do is put a little bit of water in your pan, just to start off. That's just about right. Now move this slowly to the top. As you can see, you're gonna put it right down the stove top. And you're just gonna have something, a little utensil that you get from here, and you're just gonna want to stir it. A little spoon is just fine. Just keep stirring it, and eventually it'll come into fruition. But you gotta watch it, because everything in life doesn't go the way it's supposed to be. So keep watching it, because you never know when your stepdaughter is gonna come in, sleep with your stepson, steal all your money, and take all the kids with you because they don't trust you anymore. They just think you're a gambler and an alcoholic who just sleeps all day and doesn't have a job, doesn't have any money. But that's besides the point. Everything's starting to thicken up right here. It's getting to the right consistency that we want. It's starting to look more and more like a vegan dish every second. And I'm really, really excited about this. Let's do a little taste. Tastes really fresh and healthy right there. I like that. It's a little crunchy, but it tastes delicious. I can already feel my body getting healthier and healthier every second. I can't believe I've been eating meat all these fucking years, right? Holy shit, this is good stuff right here. Now, while you're preparing this, you can take your produce right here and just put that right in the oven. So you can just go ahead and switch your oven right off right here. Put this to the side. Make sure it doesn't overheat. So put a little napkin right over here. Round 2 is perfect. Put it right over that shit, and boom, you got a cover it. Remember we put this in the oven? Look at that. Beautiful. It's right where we wanted our vegetables. Right at the nice cook. It's nice and steamed right there, as you can see. The tomatoes have cooked really, really nice. So has the lettuce, and so has the peppers. That's ready to come right out. So let's take that out right here. You have your vegetables, you have your produce, you're good to go. You want to hope they don't cheat on you. You want to hope they don't leave you for your brother. Cook that stir them. You're going to be good to go. Take another one. Wipe this right down. Beautiful. And just like that, you have your meat substitute. You have your soup. You're ready to start putting this on a plate. Let's get it. This is a fucking Hi there. I hope you tune in with us next time, because we're going to be cooking something really special next time. Instead of going vegan, we're going to go vegetarian. I hope you can tune in with us next time, and have a great night.
Excuse, mais t'as pas le droit de fumer dans le restaurant.
Okay, no problem.
Pocket 2 bit, they sumo. Tell me who the hottest motherfucker that you know. If it ain't me, you a puto. Curry get the flame, call a nigga Prince Zuko. Swimming through the money like a flounder. Hold up. I just want the knowledge and the power. Hold up. Why the nigga looking at me sour? Chopper eat a nigga like chowder. Rada, 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 rada. Never gave a fuck about $1. More money, me, more problems. Never made a ball like bottom.